If you ever have problems with your bobbin thread getting all tangled, then this little trick will help. Welcome to Epida Studio. My name is Elizabeth and I help you make beautiful things with quilting, pojagi, and embroidery. So sometimes when you're sewing, you can start stitching and on the top it looks really nice, and then you turn it over and you find that your bobbin thread got caught up in all your stitching that you did. And if you are starting to stitch right at the edge, then you can avoid that by just holding your threads. But what if you want to start in the middle of the piece, like if you are quilting or something like that? Well, in that case, bringing your bobbin thread to the front will help it to not get tangled. So this is how you do that. So when you're going to sew, hold on to the top thread, put your foot down, and then we're going to put our needle down and then bring it back up, and then we can gently pull that to bring the bobbin thread up to the top. And then once the bobbin thread is up to the top, now when you're going to begin sewing, you can hold both of these for the first couple stitches, and then that will allow everything to be smooth and you won't have any tangled threads on the back. So next time you're stitching, try that to avoid tangled threads. For more quilting, pojagi, and embroidery quick tips and tutorials, check out my website, epidastudio.com.